Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video was for simple creamy mushroom soup. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take a large saucepan, put it over a medium heat, and to that we're going to add some oil. Then we're going to add some onions. We cook them for 3 to 4 minutes, just depending on how thick your onions have been cut. Now once our onions are softened, we're going to add some garlic. And some fresh thyme. Just give that a stir around, let it cook for a minute, and then to that we're going to add our mushrooms. Put our mushrooms in, just let them cook for 7 to 8 minutes, just until they're soft, all the water's run out of them, and they're well cooked. Now to our mushrooms, we're going to add some vegetable stock. Obviously homemade is best, but if not, you can use some stock cubes. Give that a stir, and then we're going to add some coconut milk. Now we'll give that a stir, we'll warm it through just until it starts to boil, and then we're going to blend it. Now I like to blend mine when it's fairly smooth, but you can leave yours as chunky or as smooth as you wish. Just be careful when blending it because the liquid is hot. So now as you can see, our mushroom soup is thick, it's blended, and it's now ready to serve. So I've just served mine with a crusty roll. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.